Okay friends, good morning. Now I will show the lower part mobility exercises of the body joints. My first video was upper part of the body and its mobility exercises, warm-up exercises. Now the lower part, mobility joints, especially the healthy joints and healthy muscles, especially soft tissue, ligaments and tendons. So every disciplinary sports, which is karate, martial arts, like football, gymnastics, yoga, any disciplinary exercises, boxing, cricket, they must follow the mobility exercises first. So more flexible your muscles, more free your joint to do the particular exercises, particular disciplinary sports of the exercises. So here is mobility exercises of the lower part of the body. And another one, very important, feet part. Okay, feet part. Left foot and the right foot. Keep straight and strong, firm on the floor. When power comes from the ground itself, which is I am generating the power from the ground itself, and it comes knee normally, and when knee release the power, it is much greater power than the releasing power of the from the heel itself. So which is very important, knee part is very important. Okay, so without wasting time, I'll follow little bit of twisting exercises, hip twisting. So very firmly and smoothly, ish, knee, sa, shi, go. We can follow the knee and feet. See, knee is thrusting the power, thrust the power, and it flows whole body. Little circling clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Okay, next is I'll go with the open leg stances and single leg stretching. And in martial arts, it is very important, particularly part of the body you have to stretch. Okay, so here is and keep your back straight. Another important one, always keep your back straight. Knee, feet parallel, and open leg, approximately say more than two shoulder or 2.5 shoulder gap. Okay, it is also according to the person's capabilities, I mean the heights and the distance. Okay, so I am following with the left leg bending, single leg stretching, this supporting with the elbow, pushing outside, this feet, folding knee, folding leg, feet is 45 degree, and it is absolutely blade, and your heel part will follow to the forward. Ishi, knee, back straight, sam, shi, go, roku, sichi, tachi, chu, ju. Now from waist you have to push forward as much as keep your back straight and towards the stretching, like this, each knee, some, she, go, so that more pressure will come here, but again very gently, because this is my capacity, that's why I am following this. If you have, even the practitioner, if you do not have that capabilities, so don't go too much. Then the floor and the thigh muscle, inner part, which is the ligament, okay, short your gap as much as possible. Now change side. Same blade. Same follow with the leg stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push forward little. Be careful your knee. Okay. Then changing side. Another form of stretching. Toe part is up or little bit. Ball of the foot you have to out. And each knee, thumb, shi, go. Roku, ichi, achi, chu, ju. You can push your whole body up. Change side. Same. Each knee, thumb, shi, go, roku, ichi, achi, chu, ju. Push your whole body. You can touch your head on shin bone here. Then little bit of strengthen exercises as well as the flexibility exercises of the ankle. Each knee, thumb, shi, go, roku, ichi. Now circling. Opposite direction circling. Change side. Same. Each knee, thumb, shi, go, roku, ichi, achi, gu, ju. Each knee, thumb, shi, go. Relax. Now butterfly exercises. You can watching the PV joint is opening much. Back straight, just butterfly. Both your knee like this. Your closing feet, you can pull as much as you can towards the testicle side. Each knee, thumb, shi, go, roku, ichi, achi, kyu, ju. Push. Don't bend your back like this. Bend from exactly from the waist. Okay? I mean your thoracic part of the spine should not become an oval shape. Okay? Lie straight. Ish. Knee, thumb, shi, go. Little forward, same, little forward. Okay. Now, hold your both feet and same push. Try to touch your chin on heel area, heel joint area. But be careful again. Keep your back straight. No oval shape will allow. And according to your capabilities or capacity, you can go down. Each knee, thumb, shi, go. Okay. And little relax exercises. Ankle movement is another important part. So I think you can follow the little bend. When you follow this kind of exercises, you can bend your little bit your knee so that easily you can turn up, turn sideways. Okay, outside and inside, outside and inside, outside and inside. It is especially more effectiveness of the femur joint and pinky joint. Each knee, thumb, shi, go. Okay, now finger. Each knee, thumb, shi, go. Check it. pushing. Okay, then another part like this. So this is very important. This short joint is much important to make a flexible joint. Okay, as long as you can see the where age is greater, so our lower part will become a rigid rather than upper part. So it is very important. Lower part must be take much care than the upper part. Okay, so if you can keep your lower part greater flexibility, flexible, then your longer of the age will be more gracefully and more beautiful. Okay. Now next form of mobility exercises of the joint. I am folding my left leg and right leg from the back. Okay. You can keep your foot, right foot, total flat like this, or you can take a support with your ball of the foot, finger like this. Okay. We are the martial artists. We need a special exercises. That's why we are keeping like this. We are also following this. Okay. So this. Now your both knee. One knee should be north pole. I mean my left side, and right knee would be south pole. This is only for the example. Okay. So the exactly 180 degree line will get. Okay. Then up your hip and push each knee. Some, shi, go, rock, switch, hutch, chew, ju. So you can check the how my pubic part, this front part just below the navel area is stretching. Okay, that is the first and foremost mottos is stretch as much as my pubic joint and femur joint. One side is contraction and one side is expansion. Okay, so contraction and expansion is very important. Okay, changing my leg, right leg pulling forward, left leg from the back, and same exercise will follow. Same like 180 degree as example, north pole and south pole. And knee, some, she, very close to the floor. Okay, very close. Some, she, go, look, switch, touch, chew, ju, each, knee, some. You can much longer according to your capacity. Each and every technique you can follow. Relax. Now I will fold both legs backward. Okay, and will follow the same mobility exercises. Okay. Very important. First I am showing from my back. See, you can keep your both feet like this, both foot like this, and the feet like this, or like both are correct. Main theme is to stretch your pubic joint. Okay, so I am showing from my back. Each knee, some, she, go. Each knee, some, she, go. Now from forward part. Each knee, some, she, go, roku, chichi, tachi, ju, ju. Okay. Now next I am laying down. Why? Follow just. Okay. Then little same dynamically crossing the leg and cross the feet each other and like this. each knee, some, she. So my waist part, back of the waist part and the femur joint and the gluteus muscles, this bump will expansion more, much. Each knee, some, she, go, look, switch, touch, chew, chew, each knee, some, she, go. You can press, keep your leg like this remain and elbow inside, press forward like this. Yoga is called Bhujanga. Okay, press. So your lumbar part, thoracic part will more strong, more flexible. Ish, knee, sham, shi, go, look, switch, touch, chew, chew, ish, knee, sam, shi, go, look, switch, touch, chew, chew. Now next, I am following with the another exercise is stretching, but don't follow like this. If you do not have the capabilities of the much flexibility part of your body, lower part especially. Just stretch and split your leg. Each knee, some. Okay, this is full split. This is full split, very important. Full split and push each knee, sham, she, go. Toe part, both toe of the feet, it's upward and little blade, okay, because this is came for every martial arts. That's right. Okay. Now take a hand support nearby knee joint and push each knee, sham, she, go, look, switch, touch, chew, chew, each knee, some, she, go, look, switch, touch, chew, chew. Same, when you go down, ab, lower ab, touch, like this, but look up, each knee, some, she, go. Butterfly exercises. Go. Look. Sit. Touch. Chew. Okay. Same forward. Now another part is dynamically you have to move so that more effectiveness will create. Like follow. Like yoko part, yoko side of the body. So, each knee, some, she. You can check, see my pubic joint and femur joint how it's playing. Back straight. You can take a support with your left hand on left knee toe part. Each knee, some, she, go. It is a very good mobility exercises for the femur joint, pubic joint as well as full waist, especially the side of the body, rib sections and the solar plexus area, back muscles. So gradually you can feel much better. Change side. Same. Take a support, stretch as much as possible, then just push and back, just this. It is every exercises power from this particular part creates from your waist and ab muscles. Ish, knee, some, she, go, look, switch, touch, chew, relax. Okay. Then once again, butterfly exercises. Now up to we are following only stretch outside. Then we'll go outer part of the this, I mean gluteus, thigh muscles stretch. Okay, so how it will happen? Fold your left leg and right leg, fold and overlap the left leg knee. So it is automatically, you can check stretching this side. Before was stretching inside part of the body, pubic joint or pelvic joint, or now entire side of the body and gluteus muscles, means bump area. How? I am twisting my body like this. Back straight, ichi, knee, sam, shi, go, roku, sichi, achi, chu, ju. So your back muscles much stronger, much flexible, and much, called Hindi में कहा होता है लचीलापन, flexibility, so that when you throw your leg, especially the geri kicking techniques. In martial art there is a variation of the kick, various kick is there. So during this kicking time you do not have any trouble. Changing part, same overlapping, same with the right hand and crossing, and with the left knee and pressing ichi, knee, sam, shi, go, roku, sichi, achi, chu, ju, relax. Okay. Next is just dynamically with folding leg and relaxation exercises with laying down position. Okay. Let's follow. See, this is important. Same. Each knee, thumb. You can open your toe part, heel touch, so you're feeling much stretch over here. Each knee, thumb, shi, go, roku, sichi, achi, kyu, ju. Fold both knee. Now the next exercise is just knee, both leg follow with the left side falling and the right side falling. Okay, and at the same time when my both legs will go left side, my body upper part will follow the right side. So that opposite direction will the side of the body and the as a whole mid of the body part and will squeeze and stretch more at the same time. Ish, knee, sham, shi, go, roku, sichi, hach, kyu, ju. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now next is I am turning my body, little angle, stretching leg. Okay. Now leg rising. Both leg, each knee, thumb, si, go, roku, sich, hach, chu, ju, each knee, thumb, shi, go, roku, sichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Now next exercise, alternative leg will dynamically move upward and down. Ready? Each knee, some, shi, go. Roku, sichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Now next exercise is same way. Stretch vertically both legs and open it like this. Ich, ni, some, she, go. Okay, I am following the main part, straight part. Same. Each. I am raising my both legs and opening both the alternative side of the body. Leg. Ich, ni, some, she, go. Roku, sichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Each and every step, every movement, you have to check very carefully when you're following these exercises, when you're practicing these exercises. And go, some, she, go. And roku, sichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Next exercises. I'll fold my both legs and pull as much as toward the ab area, okay, as well as the pubic area. Okay, for much stretch my pubic joints and squeeze of the femur tail at the same time. Take your both hands support like when you are following the butterfly exercises on sitting position. The same thing is in laying position. Ich, ni, some, she, go, roku. You can see the heel area very close to the testicles and I am pulling towards my ab area. Stretch. Okay, this is overall my today's lower part exercises. Okay, so next part is that there is many more exercises. There is many exercises. My next video will follow the strengthen exercises along with the flexibility part of the body. How it will work, how we can follow, and how a practitioner can follow it. But once again, every exercise, even my next videos, my third part of the video, I will show the strengthened part of the muscles and ligaments and tendons. But be carefully, you have to be very confident when you do any exercises. So anyway friends, this is overall my lower part mobility exercises. Okay, thank you.